Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Miriam, Leonardo Tango on our slow motion tango section.
Today we're going to take a look at a giro to the right side of the leader, and it'll be a different kind of giro, which will be with a rebound.
Before going to the video, remember to subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and like if you like it.
Now let's go to the dance floor and start working. Quick note before we continue.
We would like to invite you to check out our website miriamleonardotango.com, where you can see our tango school online tango training.
Just simply go to miriamleonardotango.com and you are going to find a lot of videos downloadable, and also you can have unlimited access to all of them being a member of our website. Tango training for followers, tango training for leaders by themselves, solo training, also for couples, milonga, vals, choreographies, so you can practice and follow along. We have playlists, tango music playlist, a lot of things.
So one more time, the webpage is miriamleonardotango.com, and now we go back to the video.
If you're here at the end of the video, it's because you are learning so much.
Thank you so much. Thanks for your support and see you on the next video.
Take care.